Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you cursor not working on laptop, how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix cursor not working on your laptop, the first method that you can do is check touchpad if it is enabled. Many laptops have a function key to toggle the touchpad. Look for the touchpad icon on your keyboard and then simply press the function and the touchpad icon to enable the touchpad or check if it's enabled or disabled. As you can see, as I press the key, the screen shows the touchpad is disabled, and when I press it, the screen shows the touchpad is enabled. You can also try the Windows setting method by simply pressing Windows plus I, or on the search bar type in settings, and once you open up your settings, select Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side of your screen. Then once you're inside here, scroll down and select touchpad, and now check to see if this option is toggled on or not as well. The next method that you can use is check mouse connection. For USB mouse, unplug and replug the USB adapter and simply try on another port as well. For Bluetooth mouse, make sure it's paired and its battery is charged. Then next is simply restart Windows by simply pressing Ctrl+C plus Escape, which opens up the taskbar. Now here what you need to do is scroll down until you find Windows Explorer, then simply right click on it and then select restart from the options. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.